Welcome to in 5 minutes. I'll write a program to check whether a given string is a palindrome or not. Firstly, what is a palindrome is? Palindrome is a string that you read from first to last character or last to first character. Sequence of characters is same, that is spelling is same. See, the string madam is a palindrome, a string race car is a palindrome because the spelling from first to last or last to first character is same. Now, what is the logic we'll apply over here to get a palindrome? It's a bit different kind of logic we have to use. See, for example, here the input string was A, B, C, D, E, D, C, B, A. Now we can say the sequence of characters from both the sides is same. So it is a palindrome. Obviously, it will be stored into a char array. We'll get the length of the string as 9. Now using that, we know that its last index is at 8. Now we'll check for 0th and 8th character is matching. Index 1 and index 7 is matching, index 2, index 6 is matching till mid of the string. If till mid of the string there is no mismatch, we can predict it's a palindrome. Now what we are saying in English or in general logic will be very difficult to actually implement using a program. So for that we need to introduce some different variables over here for predicting it's a palindrome or not. Now firstly, let's see, by checking just 0th and 8th character are matching, can we predict it's a palindrome? No, because further there can be anywhere mismatch. So by checking just one pair of characters, we cannot predict that it's a palindrome or not. But if 0th and 8 are not matching, or 1 and 7 index are not matching, or 2 and 6 index are not matching, we can predict it's not a palindrome. So predicting not a palindrome is very easy because anywhere there is a mismatch, we can just say it is not a palindrome. So our logic will do same kind of thing. We'll use some I index variable starting from 0, goes till mid of the string, and j index variable starting with 8 and goes till the mid of the string. And every time we'll keep checking is a of I and a of j are not matching. If they are not matching, stop the loop. Obviously we'll use break statement to stop the loop. Now the program will work in two different ways. Either the I loop will finish by going till mid of the string and there's no mismatch found, string is palindrome. Else, anywhere there's a mismatch, the loop will stop at that point. That will indicate that it is not a palindrome. So this kind of logic we'll be using, and for that we'll introduce one variable over here called as flag variable, which will set to 1 initially. Then we'll start checking for from 0 to mid and 8 to mid. If there's a mismatch found, we'll set f equal to 0 and stop the loop. This time the loop has stopped because mismatch was found and value of f would be 0. Other way, if it was really a palindrome, suppose f is initially set 1, I will start checking from first to mid character, j will start checking from 8 till mid character. If there was no mismatch found anywhere, the loop will finish without changing value of f to 0. So f is 1 till the loop finishes. That will indicate that the given string was a palindrome. Now this entire thing we'll see with a program how it is going to work. I'll just repeat the logic what we've done. We'll input a string, set one index variable to 0th value, one index variable to the length minus 1, that is in this case 8. Then keep checking ith and jth are mismatching or not. If mismatch is found, then stop the loop. But before stopping a loop, we'll change the value of some variable f from 1 to 0. And when the loop stops, there will be two states of f. Either f will be 0 if there's a mismatch. Now this logic will be implementing here.